In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a gift card on your eBay account using Google Chrome. This process is simple, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to use your gift card balance for your next purchase. So let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and make sure you're logged into your eBay account. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to enter your user credentials on the eBay homepage, which will take you directly to your personal dashboard. Once you're logged in, locate and click on My eBay at the top right corner of the page. This will display a drop-down menu where you can find various options related to your account management. From the drop-down menu, select the Account section. This is where you manage everything related to your account settings and personal information. It may take a few seconds to load, so be patient. Once you're in the account section, you need to find the appropriate subsection for gift cards. Look for either payments or gift cards. It can vary slightly depending on your version of the interface or any recent updates, but the choice should be fairly straightforward. Click on the option once you see it. Now you're in the area where you can manage your payments, including the use of gift cards. You should see an option that reads Add Gift Card or perhaps Redeem Gift Card. Select this option and it will bring up a form where you input your gift card details. Carefully enter the gift card code exactly as it appears. Be extra sure to input all the numbers correctly. Any tiny error will prevent the system from recognizing your card. If possible, double check the characters with your original gift card or in any email confirmation you might have regarding the card itself. Once you've entered the code, click the Apply button to process the information. If everything is correct, the balance from your gift card will be added to your eBay account. You should see a notification confirming that the balance has been successfully updated. Now that your gift card balance is applied, you're ready to shop. During your next purchase, when you proceed to the checkout, keep an eye out for your added balance. It will automatically apply to any potential purchase unless you specify otherwise. This means you get to enjoy the benefits of your gift card right then and there. Whether it's saving a bit on your next item or covering an entire purchase, depending on the value of the card. And there you have it. Redeeming your gift card on eBay using Chrome is as simple as that. Thank you for following along and happy shopping on eBay.